Today we're gonna graft this element. We're gonna use bitter elements as rootstocks. These are very drought resistant, and on these roots of the bitter element, we can graft peaches, plum, prunes, and sweet almonds. We use them because the roots are more drought tolerant, and the almond is also a bit resistant to disease. So let's start. We're gonna use a sweet almond cutting today, and we're gonna use the whip and tongue method. The whip and tongue method is very easily to do. You just have to pay attention what you're doing. First we cut here. We clean from any side shoots or buds, and I'm gonna show you how we work. We have to shorten this graft up to 3 nodes. That's enough. That's what we're gonna use. And first thing first, we have to sharpen this one in the form of a sloping triangle. So we have to sharpen it from here to here. So hopefully now you'll have a better vision. So we just cut at an angle, and the angle is done. As you can see, we clean it a bit, and then we just cut a slit here. The slit, let me show you here, is right in between so we can insert the scion in it. Now we measure the scion. It's important to see which direction the branch is. We cannot put it upside down, obviously, and the cut will be around here. So let's start. First thing is giving the slope, and the cut will be around here. So let's start. First thing is giving the slope. Let me see if it is focusing. And that's part of it. So let's see if they match. It doesn't have to be 100%, but it's good enough. Let's sharpen the point a bit more and add a bit of length to it. So now we have to match the cut from here. So we have to cut, oopsie daisy, we have to cut a slit inside of here slowly, so we don't cut also our finger in the process. And that's the tongue we're gonna use. So we cut this part and we have a tongue inside. We just open the tongue inside and flip them inside of each other. As usual, we do the cling film. Crap. We do the cling film. This helps give support to the branch, but also keeps humidity in as a small barrier in case the paint seal is broken. Next, we put some masking tape, as you all know. And masking tape is used to seal all the crooks and crannies, so we leave no crevices around. The last step, I like to tighten it a bit. The last step is the easy one. So all we need is some clay, cortex we call it. It's for bud closing and painting. We need the paintbrush, a silicone one, a cheap one, and we just paint over the tape. The tape provides a good surface for adhesion. We cover all the surfaces, including the top. And that is a job well done. This is the grafting of our pen tank. Hope you like the video. If you liked it, please subscribe. Thank you.